Hello guys, welcome to this session. In this session, first we will try to install Maven plugin. After that, we will create a Maven job. And third one is we will create a Maven pipeline script. And fourth will be we will try to run pipeline as a job. So let me show you my Jenkins screen. Here you can see my Jenkins screen created from AWS EC2 machine. You can see. So first of all you have to go to the manage Jenkins where we will install Maven plugin. So you have to check in installed tab. After that you can check in available tab. If it's not found in installed, you can check in available. So here is Maven integration. You have to install this plugin. Click on button. So it will take some time to install. Now you have to restart your Jenkins, log in again. So first of all we will create a Maven job. Click on new item and give it any name here. The Maven project, choose Maven project here and give it any name. You can specify any name here as you wish, and you must choose Maven project here because we are going to build Maven job. So after that this screen will be appear, and here are some options related to source code, related to build, and related to post build what you can do. So here you have to specify your Git repository path. I have also copied from GitHub. So this is public repository. If it is in your case might be private repository, you have to give here credentials, username and password or secret maybe. And after that you have to specify the branch here, on which branch you are working right now. And here is build whenever. So we have to uncheck these options because it's dependents and dependencies, and we have to choose this option for delete workspace before creating a job. So this is pom.xml path you have to specify here. This will be in your root folder, like in my case you are seeing pom.xml. This is mandatory. And after that you have to define your goals. You can define clean, you can define install here, you can define packages what you want to, all the packages will be run there. So you can define any goal here related to Maven job. So this is demo, so I am going to choose only clean here, and you can choose any options here as per your requirement. In my case I'm clicking on apply and save. So let me run this job, sorry, let me build this job. Click on job and go to console. So now we have to check what will be the output here. So as we seeing, it's fetching the source code from the Git, and here are some warnings, here are success. So our job is successfully built. You can see Maven project. These are the properties in the pom.xml modules. You can see here modules. Yeah, so these are the basically modules you can see. So this modules also build success server and other. And let me show you other thing. here you can see artifact ID. So it is Maven project, and you can see here name Maven project. So in output you also see here Maven project. So this is also success, and all the errors here. POM file you can see here, jar file and var file. So basically overall this is the complete output of your build. Sorry. And let me show you my EC2 machine. I opened here the same machine. Now you have to check your Maven, where is your Maven installed. So basically this path we will define in pipeline script. Yeah, so you have to check where is your Maven installed. So this is my pipeline. Here I have to define my Maven, where is my Maven, and we will run this job through pipeline. The same job we will run through pipeline. So I am only choosing here clean. So we will run our goal only clean. And let me check one more thing. Where is your workspace? So you have to check. In my case here you can see Maven pipeline. So you can specify your whenever you creating a pipeline job, the name of the pipeline job you have to specify here. So I will show you how we can specify the name here. So go to your new item, go to new item. So in suppose I am defining Maven pipeline 1, so you have to must give your pipeline name Maven pipeline 1. So whenever you created a new item, you have to define the workspace name as you define in pipeline name. So here like I'm giving example my Maven pipeline. So you have to must define here my Maven pipeline. So I hope it's clear to you now. And we have to choose pipeline here. You must choose pipeline here, and after that click on OK. And here is we will create a pipeline job. Copy this script and paste into the, there are some options you can see. You can Google and check whether how these options will work. Now I am only showing you. You have to choose pipeline script here and paste your pipeline. Now apply and save. And you have to click on build now. Go to your build and check console output. Yeah, here is same as we earlier did in Maven project. So the output will be same as we did Maven project, Maven job. So you can see here git command run, fetching data from the git. You can see here Maven clean, the same thing as Maven job. So basically this output is similar to when we created a Maven job. So all these output is same. You can see build success and success. So we have two options. First it will clone, it have multiple stages, like we have defined two stages. So in stages we have to define multiple stage. The first stage is clone, it will clone data, and the second stage is clean and install. So in second stage what we are doing, in this stage we only specify the clean goal. So in this step, this will in this stage it will run this command cd space where go to this it will go to this url and run this command user bin mvn clean. So guys, I hope you understand. I will also paste this script to my descriptions. So thank you so much guys to watching this video. I hope you understand.